Drinks in the hall.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? It's not over here. It's kind of catchy.
There again. About time, too.
Nickel. Nickel. Severus. Nickel. Snape. Snape. Severus. Nickel. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus. Snape. Dumbledore. Snape. Severus Snape. Dumbledore.
All over the cup it up. All over the cup it up.
Severus
All over the cup it up.
Snape.
Forest.
Snape.
No forest.
Severus
No forest.
Dumbledore. Severus Dumbledore.
Harry Potter! 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 That's me!
You saved! You saved! You saved! You saved! You saved! You saved!
Dumbledore.
Hermione!
You were sent off on a dragon's quest.
I'm Harry
God
Potter!
until the
Harry
end of
Potter!
time.
Singing a song all day long at Hogwarts! I found the source of the ticking! It's a 10-year-old YouTube video! Wait, 10 years? What are we still doing in school? Let's get out of here!
10 years. Makes you feel old, doesn't it?
Snape.